You may think that shaking your wallet or stroking your chiseled jawline is enough. Well, it will be for the lower value ladies, but if you want to get the higher value ladies to actually chase you, then fortunately, there is something that you can do. And here, with today's video, are the many ways to be irresistible to women. My name is Anna and welcome to the channel. The first thing you can do to impress me is to give me a huge thumbs up. Stay tuned. Okay, tip one is to take the lead, because women are mostly, not all, but some of us do vary in degrees of being mostly submissive. They enjoy the dominant nature of a partner to equal out that balance of a different dynamic. So you need to show her your dominant side, and you need to be able to take that initiative to plan or do something. It's not about what you say, it's all in your actions. So she will be turned on by how you throw yourself into any situation and just make it work, because it shows that you can protect her. So if there is a mix-up at the restaurant, don't make a scene, but speak up and tell the waiter if he wouldn't mind correcting that order. Call her a taxi after the first date, or offer to do something in the workplace that shows that you can take charge, that you can protect and provide for her. It could be something as simple as helping to fix the wobbly table desk by putting a bit of paper underneath the table. Show how worthy you are with conversation. A woman is looking out for signs that you are worth pursuing, and from a caveman standpoint, women want to find someone that they can procreate with. So her expectations will be good health, high social status, and emotional intelligence, all those key things for a successful husband in the caveman world. So if you can talk about your social status, for example, you have a big group of amazing supportive friends, or even your leadership position at work, throw in some highly intellectual words when you talk and, well, you've nailed it. Groom yourself well. Looking healthy appeals to that cave lady procreation trait. So make an effort before you go somewhere and think, I may actually meet someone today. So pay special attention to your dental wares, obviously, and make sure that you look and do feel healthy. Appeal to all of her senses. I cannot, and I seriously mean this, stress this enough. A sexy smelling cologne will turn many heads. It doesn't matter if a woman is in a relationship and she's out on a dinner date with her girlfriend. If a guy walks past that smells great, we become so overwhelmed with how nice he smells, it's show-stopping. Cologne is personal to everyone, so it's best to try some testers in a department store and get some help with a perfume expert in that store to make sure that the smell matches your vibe and personality. Touch her gently. A little delicate touch can be electrifying, as it releases oxytocin, which produces the feelings of love, warmth and trust. Now don't overdo this, but do it just enough so that it wakes up her senses and keeps her attracted to you. A gentle touch of the mid to lower back as you walk past her is enough to break her personal circle, but it's not kind of too much touching where she thinks, he's flirting with me. It leaves her guessing with how you actually feel about her. Make her feel that you care by just easily listening. It's true, women do talk a lot, but we talk and we share problems because that's how we connect with one another. Men don't understand this, and yes, you guys tend to zone out because it all feels like useless chatter. However, if you can give her 20 minutes and just listen and take note with what she says, she will want to spend more time with you. So recite back a small summary of what you've heard, as it shows you are being empathetic and care about the things she talks about. Big and open body language. For once and for all, let's discuss why women want tall guys. Now, it's all down to the natural illusion that a tall guy can look after her. It's an immediate sense of security. However, that doesn't actually guarantee that a tall guy is the best guy. So if you don't have height potential, practice looking confident and strong with your body language and your open movements. Stop shielding your body, maintain some strong eye contact, puff out your chest and up, kind of like a sexy pigeon. Show off your curiousness and zest for life. Women prefer to date ambitious people, so if you can show that you are a passionate person living your dream life in that very moment, it's so attractive. Now, you don't have to be an expert either. It could be you are just a beginner entrepreneur running a startup, which is enough to attract her and make her choose you over everyone else in the room. So at the earliest opportunity, let her know that you are living your dream and you are really taking things seriously. Let her sense your emotional side. Women would prefer to date a guy that could protect her physically but also emotionally. Women can't understand that guys don't need to talk over problems to de stress. Crazy. So use this to your advantage and show your vulnerable side. You can share a sad story or a breakthrough moment in your life, and this will be enough, specifically in a short timed environment. For example, let's say that you meet a girl at a bar and you are both out with your friend groups. You only have so much small talk to do before you both go back to your friends. So if she asks what you do, you can say, well, I'm working in an office, but I'm running a startup business when I get home because, well, yeah, I realised a year ago how meaningless my life was, and I decided to make a positive change in the world, so I run self-development courses for males under the age of 30 over on YouTube. Now, this isn't a big sob story, but it's just enough to let her know that you are emotionally stable, aware of your feelings, and you have strength to make a change. Boost the sexual attraction. Let's be real, it doesn't matter how nice you are to a lady, if you don't make it known that you are sexually attracted to her, she won't actually know that you like her. So you need to raise those stakes so that she knows the relationship is a sexual, not friendly one, aka friend zone. As long as you are willing to talk to her and listen without coming across like a sleazebag, you become irresistible. So maintain a long gaze of strong eye contact, and this will start to raise the temperatures. A bonus tip is that you need to think ahead of what you actually mean to this lady. So naturally, guys don't like to think long term when it comes to relationships, but for women they do. So naturally, she is going to be weighing up how amazing you would be when it comes to a relationship. So she is going to be testing everything: how well you listen, how healthy you are, if you are emotionally stable, if you like your life, if you have time for a girlfriend. But also remember, she's going to be testing your boyfriend materials. So you need to pay very close attention to how you scrub up on the dating scene to make sure that you do impress these ladies so that they think that I cannot afford to miss out on him. So you really need to focus on your boyfriend material so that you give people the FOMO effect, the fear of missing out. And wow, we made it to the end of the video. If you like this video, give us a huge thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. It will make my day. And you can even go one step further and get your name up on our super fan board. These are some amazing people that actually support the channel every single month. And if you want to know more about that, then click the description box below to find out some more. Have an amazing day. See you soon.